A candlelight vigil was organized by the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee on the 25th of November 2022 at the Congress Bhavan in Shillong to pay tribute to the lives lost during the recent firing by Assam police and forest guards at Mukroh village in West Jaintia Hills. Speaking to media persons after paying homage to the deceased, the working president of the MPCC, Pinchngan NSAM, while condoling the death of victims of Mukroh firing, said that all cabinet ministers should resign from their current positions and hold themselves responsible to the occurrence of the unfortunate incident that claimed the lives of 5 people.
As earlier announced that our today conference meeting, we have passed a resolution to send a condolence message to all the bereaved family who have lost their loved one during this fire incident by the Assam police. That is number one. Number two, our resolution is to demand that the state government should appoint at least one of the relatives of one family who had lost their relative who financially support the family. Number three, we demand that the Council of Ministers should take responsibility on this incident by resigning from the ministership. That are the few issues that we have passed. We also demand that the ban of Israel should be lifted so that it will be not great problem for our people in the state. At the same time, that the state government should announce immediately the number of outposts to be set up in different strategic locations so that our people will not be in problem from time to time. There are a few issues that we are resolved and pass the resolutions. We are not demanding for the president. We are demanding that the minister should resign. Let other ministers come and take of their lead in the MDA government and let them have the decision to protect the interests of our people in the border area with Assam. We are very happy to see that the Home Minister, the Union Minister, has already announced that they will constitute the CBI inquiry on this incident. I will be very happy if the Chief Minister and the Council of Ministers also ask the Home Minister to demand CBI inquiry in other issues that the people are very much expected.
Also commenting on the recent unfortunate incident, the MDC of Milem, Ronnie V. Lingdor, slammed the MDA government by saying that it is its bound duty to guard the borders of the state to ensure safety of those residing in the area.
Even the Chief Minister, our Chief Minister, Meghalaya, doesn't even have the courage to condemn. Forget arrest. Doesn't even have the courage, the guts to condemn those killer policemen of Assam. Now, if they are perceived to be smugglers, do you strip them in the forest? Do you ask them, this is your final, eatable? You take this will be your final eatable before, your lives are taken. Just imagine the fear psychosis that is being meted out by the government of Assam. In our opinion, isn't the state government its duty bound to increase the battalion, the police battalion, so that we can guard our borders? It's the duty of the state to protect its citizens. It's our fundamental right. It's not the duty of the public to defend itself. And then, otherwise, why do we have a government? It's the duty, bounden duty of the state government to protect its citizens. If you do not have enough forces, create more forces. You can have money to spend crores and crores on your festivals, but don't you have money to defend the people of the state?